Back on this 2011 Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel 3500 heavy duty. This was the one that had a leaky evaporator. That was a really bad leak on that one. It was literally losing refrigerant so bad it was coming out the cowl. So remember, I made a short video. I put this on the vacuum pump Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, Saturday morning. It is now Monday. It's been on the vacuum pump this whole time. And what I've come looking at my Testo 557S, if it's been on the vacuum pump, why does it only show negative 13.9 on one side, negative 14.2 on the other side? There you go. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's an issue here. Definitely an issue. And I understand it zeroes out, it doesn't do anything past negative 15, but to show actually less when I actually know this is in the microns, it's probably in the 100 to 200 micron range, and it's showing only negative 14 as if I had a leak or I was unable to pull vacuum. I actually shut off the vacuum source for the last several minutes just to see. But I know when I was here and I was drawing vacuum, it went right down right away within a few minutes. And here I am from a Saturday to a Monday, and now it looks like I have a bad pull. I know it's not though. It's just these gauges losing their accuracy over time. That's all. Another one of 557's little hiccups. Unlike the field piece would show me what it is today, and if I left it on till next week, it would show me what it is next week.